Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting tech video with 99 reviews. Today, I am going to tell you an exciting feature of iOS 17. So let's start the video. The new feature is about banning sensitive content in your iPhone. It means whenever there would be any video with sensitive content comes to your iPhone, it will blur it or give you a message that a media is not appropriate. To access this, you have to open Settings, then scroll down and open Privacy and Security. Now scroll down again, and here you can see the option, Sensitive Content Warning, open it. And here it is, written that after turning this, on your iPhone detect nude photos and videos before it is viewed and receive guidance to help make a safe choice. If I tap on Learn More, here is the explanation of all the functions your iPhone perform after turning it on. You can restrict inappropriate content. There is also a guide how to turn it on, so go back to the settings again and turn on this toggle. When you turn on this toggle, another toggle below this appears. You also have to turn this on. Turning these both options on save you from bad content. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.